Uigĩrĩrĩki wa acirithania atandatu a igoti IKARU uri gabiro-ini thutha wa uria wari Minista Raphael Tuju kwambika cira kuri kamiti ya utungata wa ruhonge rwa igoti JSC akimakuruhania na kuhotomia mihango yake ya kuona kihoto cira-ini uria akoretwo aking'ethanira na East Africa Development Bank igie ngombo ya ciringi birioni 1.5. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, Tuju agwetete munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu, mucirithania Smokin Wanjala, Joki Dongo, Isaac Lenaola, Mohamed Ibrahim na William Ouko tare marenderera mwena wa bengi kumutunya utonga wake.
East Africa Development Bank has been desperately trying several tactics in and out of the court system in a concerted effort to bury the truth of this case. Unfortunately, some judges at the Supreme Court are becoming deliberately or inadvertently accomplices of the criminal elements at the bank when the Supreme Court makes certain rulings.
Kihumo gia cira uyu ni ngombo ya ciringi birioni 1.5 iria Tuju kugerera kambuni yake ya ndari amukirire mwaka-ini wa 2015 ya gwaka nyumba cia kirathi mugunda-ini wa eka 20 mwena wa Karen, na ukirikana ni aremereirwo ni kuriha gukinyiria mwaka wa 2017 na ngombo eno igiciarana nginyagia ciringi birioni 2.2.
The court wants to proceed with the case when the affidavit the EADB submitted to the court has been recanted by a follow-up affidavit at a lower court, the statements at the DCI notwithstanding.
Rĩu Tuju akoretwo magoti-inĩ matiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na bũrũri wa Ngeretha kũhũrana na igeria rĩa bengi ya AEDB kwendia mũgũnda ũyũ wake wa eka 20 na mũkawa wa ndari nĩguo merihe ngombo yao, akiuga mathĩna make mathiĩte na mbere nĩ atongoria mega to bũrũri-inĩ makinyotera ũtonga wake.
It's amazing the number of individuals who have been looking at our property with covetous lust. Every time the bank or the court have acted in concert to apply pressure on us, we have received offers from people from the woodwork to purchase our property. When we finish with all the units that are under construction here, then it is a 9.5 billion project. Somebody would like to sell it for 1.6 billion so that they can keep the rest.
Mateta mage kuri JSC, Tuju oigite ni andikĩire mucirithania munene mathakome marũa matiganĩte agitetia uigĩrĩrĩki wa acirithania aya no macokio makoretwo matakinyanĩire.
In our second letter to the Chief Justice, we raised a total of 7 infractions. We kept the letter strictly confidential so as not to shame or ridicule the court. We received a reply attributed to the full bench of the Supreme Court of Kenya. They said that they were disturbed by the issues I raised in my letter, but they did not deny or challenge the facts presented to myself.
Riu ni oritie kamiti ya utungata wa ruhonge rwa igoti guthuthuria acirithania aya atandatu na gutigirira ni ona kihoto.
Why the Supreme Court say they have ruled that they want to rule on this matter without any evidence, while on the other side they have accepted all the evidence from my opponents, is not justice, and they must be called out. I'm hopeful that I will get the audience of the JSC to submit my affidavit and adduce the evidence that I have against this bench.
Kameme TV gekwe uhoro gitau jeta gitau wa Wanjikũ.